How to create SWOT analysis slides in PowerPoint. Open PowerPoint and create 4 blank slides. Right-click and select Format Background. In the Format Background properties, select Picture or Texture Fill. Insert desired picture from File. Insert images for all 4 slides. Select the first slide, go to Shapes menu and select Rounded Corner Rectangle. Fill with white and remove outline. Align center and middle from the Align menu. Right-click the shape and go to Shape Properties. Set its opacity to around 25%. Then copy the shape and paste it into all 3 slides. Go to Insert and select Text Box. Insert the first letter S for SWOT analysis. Set the font and its size. Copy the text letter to all other slides. Change the letter name according to the slide. Now go to first slide, select white shape and the click and hold Shift to select the text also. Go to Format tab, select Merge Shapes and select Subtract. Do the same for all other 3 slides. Create titles and text for each slide and copy and paste to other slides. Then change the text to your choice. Select all 4 slides and go to Transitions menu and select Rotate Transition. Here's the beautiful looking analysis slides in PowerPoint. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.